Record business closures and massive global layoffs are pushing people's budgets to the breaking point and having a dramatic effect on their quality of life. Many people are being forced to survive on credit, paying today's bills with tomorrow's wages. This is a guaranteed path to financial disaster. Are you currently enjoying the lifestyle that you're working so hard to achieve? In contrast to these statistics, the wealthiest of our populations increase their net worth year after year, and they're able to accelerate their wealth during economic downturns. How is this possible? Financially experienced people put wealth-building principles to work for them, rather than trading their time for a wage. In the following video, we'll introduce you to two of these powerful principles and show you how you can get them working for you right away. At CFX, we believe the opportunity to create financial abundance is the right of every person. A better life can begin now. Start your journey with us today. It will be the most empowering change you've ever made.
Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I am a average person that invest in things that I believe have some value, and those experiences have given me opportunity to do very well in some cases and lots of lessons learned, and I'm here to pass that information on. That's why I invite people that have a little more knowledge, background, and experiences than I have, so we can all share in bringing that value.
Minimum deposits, massive returns. $300 package will get you all the way up to a 100K package. So I started this business because a good friend of mine, Leo Shea here, he's a British guy out of Dubai. He is a master builder in this networking space. He knows about Bitcoin, he knows about blockchain. He is an awesome dude, do anything for you. So why the Forex market? Well, we're going to get into that. You know, Cashfx is definitely a pioneer doing these things, making this happen. And so I joined on because I was looking for passive income. And in the Forex market, the trading, it's where it's at. Let's hear what
if you're having
gentleman has to say.
Work in a position right now where you're stuck working weekends, well, perhaps that's going to be something that's going to hit your goals list, to be able to have Saturdays off and Sundays off with your family or your friends. And that's certainly something that you could easily facilitate through your participation here in CFX. So a little bit about the platform. First of all, why was the platform developed? Simply put, and if you speak to the owners, and many of you in this chat actually have had an opportunity to speak with the owners, the founders, the developers of the platform, the purpose was simple. The job was not simple, but the purpose was simple. And that is to bring the complexity of the global Forex market, but also bring the opportunity within the global Forex market to individuals that may never have considered themselves eligible to trade in the Forex market before. And perhaps it's because they just felt it was too overwhelming, or perhaps because they just felt that it would require too much time to develop a bit of acumen where they could be successful enough to justify or warrant the attention. And they're absolutely right. This is an extremely complex market. So to dumb this down or simplify this through automation, well, it really does open up the world of Forex to many, many thousands of people that perhaps never considered themselves eligible for profiting in the global Forex market. The positioning is simple. This is entirely based on what we refer to as EAs. EA is an abbreviation for expert advisor, and it's proprietary and dedicated software. So not rooms full of professional traders, but rather software that's doing most of the heavy lifting for CFX and its members. And we'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute.
So how do we get paid? With CFX, you can purchase these Academy packages. And as you can tell, there's 3 different packages. You got your Elemental package, which is a trading pack, starts at $300. And then you can move up and get into the Advanced series, where it takes you kind of to the next mid-level 5K package and up. And then you can advance up into the Supreme series, which is 30,000 packages and up. So yeah, powerhouse. They say they're going to pay you up to 15% based on the trading results per week, but this is actually what you normally will see. March 9th and throughout the week is about 1%. That won't get you to 15%, but it will get you to 5.29% per week. So that's about average, and that's kind of above average. So what does my account look like? Well, at this time, this was back probably February-ish, I actually had taken out about 1,200 at this particular time, and it restarts. It takes you back to where you go. You have to basically go up to 200%, and then you have to do something, take money out, or you can recycle it and do it all over again. But it's a great
Oh
opportunity.
my goodness. Hey, I just want to show you real quick. This is what my Saturdays are like. But the funny thing is, I've been making so much in my other programs, I totally forgot to even check. And I was looking at my emails for something totally different from this. But you know what? It's always exciting when you see something like this. Whoa! Got a commission from Cashfx. So for those that don't know, yes, I have been in Cashfx for a long time, over a year. And I have withdrawn thousands of dollars, and I have put in about 2,000, but I've withdrawn more than that. So, hey, if anybody asks, it works. But I don't actually work the program, but I do like to receive, commission checks every week. So that's pretty cool. Um, and when I think about this, I think about people. They're like, "My gosh, how in the world?" And I say this about other guys. Cash flow, FX, crypto pays, daily. I say this about them as well. And another guy named Zeb, like, how in the world do you do all these programs? But when I'm doing them, it is just part of the day, right? And I mean, I stay up really late too, so part of the night. But it's funny because it's not taxing. It's just getting it all set up. And after you get it set up, you do a few videos here or there. It's just money showing up. Every day there's money showing up, literally every day. Um, and if you have 5 different programs, you have 5 different streams. And the only activity you do is to go in and just validate or verify. But since we are actively working the program, I was not intending to actively work any program except a couple of them. Um, there are people that do show up in the program that want to earn some money as well. And since you want a passive stream, you may be doing some other things, but you decide that, hey, Rashid seems to be providing a quality and clear and honest view of what he's doing. And hey, let's join him. And I appreciate that because I am trying to be very transparent. I never, when I was in network marketing years ago, and I don't do network marketing now, but if people are referred to my team, if you're on my team, you will get taken care of. That is a guarantee. If the information to contact you is in there, which all these programs have a way to find your email address or a phone number, then you will hear from me. And I will say, hey, let's get started. Let's get rolling. And eventually I'm going to create a separate group for each of the programs. And so I feel like I have to do something in order uh, to appreciate the funds that are coming in, and it's just incredible to see it actually happening. So I'm very excited about continually getting something from CashFX because I have money in there, and I have an awesome upline that's in CashFX out of Dubai, really good guy. But as far as earnings go, it doesn't compare to some of the other programs that I'm starting to see gains from as well. So yeah, this is a weekly thing. So if you want to know anything about CashFX, you will be able to look in your email box like clockwork every Saturday, and sometimes it's Friday night, sometimes it's Monday afternoon. You get a additional um, commission based on the team that you have and some overrides that may be coming in. So I average about 75 to 78, every single week. So not bad for being in it for like a year or so. So I'm good with that. So what do I do with this? Well, I have to put it somewhere, right? And so let's see, CashFX. There we go. So I put it in my little CashFX box, and let's see if that's growing. Yeah, looks pretty good. And like I said, March 6. You see that's March 6 up there, right? What's down here? June. And we can find another
April. Oh, look at that. Another March 7, still getting paid. What's this? Oh, oh, wow, look at that. Still 2019, 2019, 2019. Email confirmation there, account confirmation there. So I started back in 2019, and somewhere in there I decided to upgrade, which, okay, a confirm account in progress, upgrade. Okay, so that was happening at that time. And when did I commission? Around the upgrade time. I normally will withdraw money around upgrade time. So interesting, because I don't see where the withdrawal was made. But I know I did withdraw something around that time. Maybe I didn't save that email, but anyway, um, yeah, withdrawal right here, Cashfx withdrawal complete. So that happened. So 999. So this was 20. So it, it works. And that's all I'm showing you is it works. Um, oh, got a commission. Oh, wait a minute. I'm trying to see. I know I had another withdrawal in here somewhere. So that's what I'm looking for. Huh. Maybe I just can't, my eyes are deceiving me and I don't want to, um, yeah, 999. Um, yeah, like I said, I just wanted to kind of show you that it works. Just like I do with the other ones, some people may not think they pay out. Some, may think it's a fluke. But like I said, September right there, right? September. Last one was June. This one was September. So like I said, every 3 or 4 months I take out, about 1,000 and let it keep going after that. Nothing, no stress, just extra, it's just extra. Look at there. You have requested a payout. There's another payout. 1,200 this time. So that was in February, right? So I mean, this is awesome. So if I did that early February, then it's March. So probably next month I'll do it again, because it's starting to grow a little bit more. So that's how it works. I mean, that's Cashfx, man. Cashfx works every day, every time. Well, sometimes we have to take ourselves into that leadership program because we're producing so much for that company. And guess what they'll do? Maybe they'll kick you up a notch to the global ambassador and you can have that Lamborghini. But for you to get to that level, in order to get something different, you got to become something new, something different. So take it to that next level and make that right decision.
The advent of Bitcoin, Forex, Ethereum, auto trading, cloud mining, and so on hasn't even hit full speed yet, but there are already thousands and thousands of people interested in it and investing in those particular technologies. So tonight, this is why we're here, to have that discussion, education, bring value, and receive value. There are so many cryptocurrencies competing for the title of world reserve currency. And those cryptocurrencies are competing with Bitcoin, the king or queen in the digital space, to be used in various trading and marketing programs, all of which are making the average person very well off. The availability of these technologies and alternative currencies make them very attractive and ultra profitable, yet they are seriously volatile investments to trade in the market if you're not aware of what you're doing. We've created a learning experience that is strategically simple and is set up for anyone that has a genuine desire to understand the advanced technology that is causing a massive buzz and is considered by top financial experts the greatest wealth transfer in our history.